Hi, my name is Adem Kulauzovic. I am the Director of Coding Automation here at Domino. Integrating coding equipment into existing lines has traditionally been deemed expensive and very complicated to do. But with FDA requirements and legislation, along with the evolution of manufacturing equipment into the Industry 4.0 era, the necessity to integrate into current equipment has never been greater. Let us show you how. So where do we begin? Well, let's talk about what IoT means. IoT simply stands for Internet of Things. Instead of having multiple pieces of hardware integrated together to control a piece of equipment, it is now simply one connection. So how does this relate to coding automation? Instead of having to know protocol and characteristics of a printer, one can simply connect this to their existing network and utilize their ERP system or SCADA system along with databases and any other type of automation to populate a label and push it to the printer without any intervention. There are a variety of new printer and coding technologies, as well as compatible software solutions. The primary objective is to reduce the likelihood of coding errors occurring. In order to achieve this, it is important to audit the coding creation and development process and identify the potential sources of error. So let's take an actual example. We have a well-known food manufacturer who has the challenge of managing over 1,500 labels. And any time a legislation or an ingredient's changed, they needed to manage all their labels and accurately put the right ingredients on there. And so they had a person who spent literally their whole day trying to manage 1,500 different labels. So what we did was we looked at their existing database that they keep up to date and mirror that into our labels. So instead of having 1,500 unique labels, we only had 5 that were populated from a database. They are a Domino customer because of it. So we had a very major beverage company, and when they do a line change, the primary coders that would print on the cans would print the accurate date, but when they went into a case, it was a different date because they had the wrong product. They had an over $40,000 recall to get them properly coded. And what we offered was an automation solution that allowed them to press the ingredient product that they wanted, and that it would deploy the correct message not only to their primary coders, but their secondary and tertiary. They have no human intervention failures. Their efficiency is practically 100%. So what did we learn from this? Well, we learned that IoT is not complicated and scary, that it's very simple to integrate coding equipment into your existing lines, and most importantly, it allows you to take back control. I encourage you to contact us today to open up the dialogue and to bring message design and print control to your production line. I want to thank you for taking the time and watching this video. And if you have any other questions or need more information, please contact us here at Domino. We're here to help.